Starting recording now. Deepa also joined. Hello, Deepa. Deepa, can you hear us?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, no problem.
Hi, Deepa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, doctor.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah.
So we'll start the next level now. I'll just read what we have done in previous sessions. We have understood that, yes, being a consultant in the hospital, we know that what are our challenges now. Our own challenges would be to really understand the clear information which should be given to the doctors or especially hospital owner and decision makers. And we have a big responsibility to pick up those who are enthusiastic and interested in the job. Ultimately, we are going to do the job. So logically, we should feel that if nobody is, we should be ready for the worst area. If nobody is ready to help us, no problem. That's not that's not a big deal, because ultimately we are going to print the documents, we are going to file the documents, we are going to train them, those who are interested. As far as those who are non-cooperating people, anyway, they don't fill up registers and all. Down the line, juniors and all, we can easily win their confidence through kickoff meeting, and we can influence them to fill up the registers and all. And if we are not getting support, then anyway, whenever we go morning 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and evening 2 to 3 minutes, anyway, we are having record that, sir, these are the challenges which are from your side.
Right.
Fine. So now we'll move ahead, where now we'll peek into the understanding of the guidance. What is guidance? How we should read the guidance. Okay, because until otherwise we are aware about the guidance, then doctors, or especially doctors, check us by asking different questions. Okay, so what are that common questions they ask? We'll enlist that. So these are the what I label as super queries. Okay. We ought to know that super queries, the moment, first thing what we have to understand is how the, or rather I'll say the process. Okay, process of certification. Understand? They ask this, how it happens. So it should be on our tip of the tongue that, sir, first we'll do this. So first we will do document and quality management system establishment, right? So the very simple thing is, first we'll do the quality management, or I'll write QMS, right? In QMS, what we'll do is we will establish documents, right? We'll establish training records. We'll establish signages, right? This is what it is. Okay. And finally, we'll ensure that licenses are in compliance. Understand?
Okay, sir.
As far as documents and training records are concerned, this is purely 100% in our hands. While signages is partially in our hands, we'll give the design, we'll approve the designs, but payment has to be done by the doctor so that signages will come on time. Right? Okay, if that time gets crossed, then everything gets collapsed. And next is 20% is in our hand, where we'll review licenses. We'll review the licenses and we'll let them know if some license is not there or some license is near renewal. Okay. Understand? So this is one of the process. And then the last but not least, we have to know timelines. In timelines, there are 3 levels of timeline. One is consultant level, right?
So I'm not able to hear you properly. There's disturbance in your voice.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's fine.
Yeah, better. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sometimes this Wi-Fi gets,
Yeah, maybe. So I could not hear your first point. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So QMS will establish in QMS documents is in our hands, training records is in our hands 100%, signages 50% because we'll review the design and ask doctor to pay it to the concerned person. Licenses will review and will ensure that whether some license is not there or some licenses are at near renewal. So that we have to tell them that sir, this is near renewal because audit आएगा और तभी आपका license expire हो जाएगा.
Right.
So we want you to act on this, right? And then timeline, the most important, we have to know. So timeline is divided in 3 levels. One is consultant level. Consultant means we. Huh?
Okay.
Second timeline is hospital level, and third timeline is at NABH authority level.
Okay.
Sir, what is this timeline?
Timeline is doctor asks when we will get our certificate.
Okay.
तो आप ऐसा ही नहीं बोल सकते सर 8 महीने में दे दूंगी 10 महीने में दे दूंगी. We don't know.
अच्छा हाँ.
तो तब हमें ये बोलना है कि सर as far as timeline is concerned, we have 3 components of timeline, which can which can affect the timeline in a better, worst way. We do not know. First is at consultant level, so at our level. Okay. Second is at hospital level, and third is at NABH authority level. Okay. Now, as far as consultant level, the risk is very less. Okay, risk is less than 10%.
Okay, sir.
Why? Because we have all the documents, we have all the data, we have all the knowledge. So there won't be any here and there, at least 1 week or 2 week here and there हो जाएगा. अगर कुछ हो गया, accident हुआ, या फिर there is a sick leave, right? तो ये week का काम हम अगले week में कर देंगे. Yeah, anyway we will replace, we'll send somebody else, but we'll try to finish as per our agreement.
Okay.
Yes, hospital level पे 2 challenges होता है. पहला licenses, right? And दूसरा approvals, especially commercial.
So are you hello? So are you sharing your screen, because I think you're typing something.
I thought I have started sharing.
Yeah.
One sec.
Yes.
Let me share my screen. I'm so.
Yes. No, sir, that's okay.
Seeing the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll just revise. So what are super queries by the doctors? Number 1 is your process of certification. We have to know completely. In process of certification, the biggest challenge is to establish the quality management system. Quality management system has documents, training record, licenses, and timeline. And another question we have to know is timeline. Okay. Now in timeline, there are 3 factors. One is consultant level, other is hospital level, and third one is at NABH authority level. Consultant means we. The risk is less than 10% because we are expert and we know visit by visit what we are going to do and we are going to finish that job. Okay. So risk is only 10%, not more than that. Hospital level, the licenses, if there is some license which is not available. So we don't know now when that license will be received in that particular geographical area. Right? Because it is all what government is working, whether they are, proactive enough to give the licenses and all. Right? So that will impact the timeline. And second component of the hospital level is approvals of commercials. For example, I keep saying, signages, register के format अगर बाहर दिए तो वो जल्दी से जल्दी रिवीजन करके लेके आए. नहीं तो होता है डॉक्टर सेज कि ये रजिस्टर्स आप हमें फॉर्मेट दे दो, हमारा प्रिंटर वाला है. अब वो प्रिंटर वाला लेके आता है फॉर्मेट, फिर हम नहीं लेते, डॉक्टर को टाइम नहीं रहता, दूसरा अप्रूव कर सकता, फिर कभी तो डॉक्टर को टाइम मिलता है तो डॉक्टर रिवाइज करता है, उसकी स्पेलिंग चेक करता है, बदलता है, फिर वो जाता है, फिर आता है, यही में 3 महीने निकल जाते हैं. So that's why we also recommend them that, sir, you opt for our Trenos accreditation box.
Right.
Because Trenos accreditation box is kind of thing is 4 to 5 days you will receive the complete box. And that also 10 to 15% cheaper than what market is offering to you, because we are doing it at no loss, no profit level.
Okay.
So this is what is the communication we should do and the timeline. And the most important thing is at NABH authority level, there are 2 levels. One is desktop audit clearance, right? Usually this takes 1 month time.
Okay.
But when it goes, once we have cleared the desktop, the main audit date, okay, main audit date may take 1 to 4 months.
Okay.
So we do not know, because they have their own accessors, right? They delegate this to various accessors. For example, XYZ hospital is there, so automatically this goes to the accessor dashboard. Now some keep seeing the dashboard. If those who don't have any audits in future, they may pick up. But then on their level, where they are placed is also very important. Some accessor from Jammu and Kashmir will never come to Pune. He will say, why to travel and all, jayega itna paisa nahi aata hai NABH se, because NABH gives only 10,000 rupees for audit from them. So it is too less. So 10,000 ke liye agar he is wasting 3 days, so there is no point, right? तो पुणे मुंबई के लिए कौन आएगा? पुणे मुंबई के लिए those will come जिनको फ्लाइट से आने के लिए 1 या 2 घंटे लगते हैं. तो दिल्ली वाला आएगा, मॉर्निंग आएगा, शाम को निकल जाएगा.
Right.
Got it? हाँ? जिनका बड़ा ऑडिट है तो मॉर्निंग आएगा, नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग निकल जाएगा, तो उनको हर दिन के 10,000 मिलते हैं. Okay. Yeah, so this way it will happen. But now whether Delhi auditor has time or does not have time, we do not know. So what happens, that query keeps on the dashboard of all the accessors. Now which accessor and when he will accept that audit, we are not sure. Even it has happened that sometime accessors accept the audit, and then they say that 1.5 months later they will come. Then after 1 month, so the audit is 15 days, we are awaiting, and he calls, somehow he has his own problems and all, please, I have detached the money, I have cancelled the audit, it might happen some other accessor will call you. Then again it will go to the dashboard, so again that process restarts. Okay. So this is the second level, which is very, very important. Main audit plan होने में 1 से 4 महीने लग सकते हैं सर. Okay. Yeah. Third level. So
can you just sorry to interrupt. Can you just explain this desktop audit clearance? What exactly this is?
Desktop audit clearance. Yesterday I have shown you the dashboard. The moment we register.
Right. Okay.
The moment we register with the proper email and contact number, then the dashboard opens. On that dashboard, we have 20 days. We have 20 days to upload all the documents.
Yes.
The moment we'll upload the documents, the authority will review that online, on desktop only.
Right.
It is known as desktop audit.
Desktop audit.
तो clear नहीं है, कोई document में कोई चीज नहीं है, कोई license.
Okay, so then they will let us know.
या फिर yeah. We have uploaded all the HR file but missed out the vaccination file.
Okay.
So they give NCs. They write it on the. This is visible on our desktop. Vaccination file. Please upload qualification again. The photo is not clear. Something like that. So that is what is known as desktop NC clearance. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So this goes, desktop audit clearance goes for 1 month. So
1
10,
month.
15 days they will send the 10, 15 days they will send the queries, and we will have time of 20 days within which we have to upload all the
reply.
NCs. Otherwise it is
Right.
again gets cancelled. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Then we have main audit date, as I told, 1 to 4 months. So auditor have come, they have taken the audit for 1 day or 2 day, depending on number of beds. If number of beds is less than 40, they usually take 1 day. If the beds are more than 50, then they may take 2 days, and multiple accessors can come. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and now once accessors have done the audit, the next day they have to upload all the NCs on our portal.
Okay.
So NCs will be uploaded on our portal. It will be visible. Then we have a time of again 1 month. We have time of 1 month to resolve the NCs. So NC resolution is one of the important things.
Okay.
Which may take 1 month. Okay. Then we have, once we have uploaded the NCs, then their quality team, the NABH authorities quality team, compiles all these data, whatever documents we have uploaded, whatever NCs we have cleared. Okay. And that will become a kind of folder, and this folder is kind of a committee meeting review. Now, committee meeting does not happen every day in NABH. Committee meeting happens weekly once or 15 weekly once or monthly 4 times.
Okay.
So all committee is sitting over there. जैसे कोर्ट में होता है ना केसेस,
राइट,
वकील बैठता है और फिर एक केस के बाद एक केस के बाद एक केस के बाद दे रिव्यू एंड दे गिव देयर जजमेंट. ओके,
राइट.
अब मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम ये हो जाता है कि एक आधा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, एक आधा इशू आता है, कभी कभी दे गिव सच एनसीज, उसके लिए टाइम लगता है. फॉर एग्जांपल वन ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल गॉट एनसी दैट द हैज टू बी एमबीबीएस. previous hospital में we have uploaded the records of BAMS or BAMH, BHMS RMOs. They have accepted it. But one hospital case में they have asked you should have to have RMO, MBBS RMOs. Now, okay, that hospital is not from city. This hospital is from remote village area.
Okay.
Now it is very difficult to recruit MBBS RMOs.
Recruit MBBS RMOs, right?
Yeah, but there are ways out where we can show local anesthesiologist and gynecologist as, because they are also MBBS. But then still we have to convince them. We have to get their documents. We have to do their testing, health checkups. We have to give them appointment letter. These all data, because recruitment has to be. Okay. It is not kind of we have recruited. ऐसा तो नहीं चलेगा. To the compliance, we have to show them we have appointed the doctor, doctor's PAN card, doctor's Aadhaar card, doctor's appointment letter, salary structure, duty schedule, and at the same time we have to show the duty schedule remark, duties, the how we have incorporated this new recruitment in our duty list. So okay, we have 1 to 3 months for this. 1 to 3 months for committee meeting.
Acha.
Committee meeting may happen in 1 to 3 months, where our case will be put forward. Got it? And then they will send NC. So again, NC resolution may take 1 to 3 months. Understand?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद अब they will send an email that it is recommended. The certificate is recommended. The email. Okay. This email may take 1 to 2 months.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
once this happens, then certificate, the physical copy of certificate may take 1 to 2 months again.
Physical copy
of the certificate comes through courier.
Right.
That may take 1 to 2 months. So if you see,
total 8 months.
More than that, right?
yeah, if you see here, you can see this now, right? You can see this. Yeah. So timeline में if you see NABH authority का टाइम कितना है देखो आप. Desktop audit 1 month, right? Main audit 1 to 4 months. So we'll keep maximum 5 months. NC resolution,
Right.
committee meetings 9 months. NC resolution 1 year, right? Email recommended 1.5 years, and then certificate. So it takes around 1 year. We have come. So हम क्या करते हैं? What we do is we ask clearly doctor, these are the maximum timelines.
Right.
मतलब आपका लक बहुत ही खराब है तो 1-1.25 साल लग सकता है, लेकिन अगर आपका लक ठीक है तो 7 to 8 months आपका सर्टिफिकेट आ जाएगा. Okay, so it is 8 months to 1 year, and we have got around 70% hospitals within 8 months.
Okay.
And what logic we used here is we apply for desktop audit as early as possible.
Exactly.
Why? Because anyway, after desktop audit, we have time to prepare for the main audit. तो desktop audit के लिए जो भी चाहिए ना, वो हम रेडी कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट विजिट में ही रेडी कर लेते हैं.
ओके.
और फिर लगता क्या है, सिर्फ आपका रजिस्टर्स, कुछ फॉर्म्स, राइट, वही ऑनलाइन चलेगा, राइट. बाकी का तो बैकडेटेड कर सकते हैं हम सब कुछ.
ओके.
अंडरस्टैंड. सो वो भी विजुअलाइज हम करेंगे, बट फर्स्ट लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दीज थिंग्स. सो हमारे हाथ में 3 महीने हैं. ये 3 महीने हम बराबर करेंगे. डॉक्टर को वही कॉन्फिडेंस है कि सर हमारा काम हम टाइम पे करेंगे, आपका काम आप टाइम पे करो. कि जो NABH अथॉरिटी लेवल पे है, इट इज नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स.
So then what is your experience in this? Like, do they agree for the backdated 3 months data?
एग्री का नहीं, उनको पता ही नहीं होता है ना. Doctor says yes, we will provide people. So just provide people, sir, we will do it. Understand? Because जैसे कि देखो SOP रिलीज डेट है आपकी,
राइट.
SOP रिलीज डेट आप दिखा सकते हो 2 महीने पहले. आपका जो क्रिटिकल रजिस्टर जैसे ऑटोक्लेव वगैरह वैसे ऑलरेडी वहां पे है, वहां पे
होता है, तो दैट आल्सो वी कैन शो.
अगर कोई रूटीन रजिस्टर नहीं है तो आपके पास डेटा तो होता है IPD का, OPD का.
राइट.
उस रजिस्टर में से उनके नाम नंबर लेके आगे हम लिख सकते हैं, राइट. डेली 5 पेशेंट्स का एंट्री होता है ज्यादा से ज्यादा IPD में.
ओके.
OT का वही होगा, है ना. तो
सर मैक्स कितना बताने का रहता है उधर कंप्यूटर में?
नहीं, हाँ, उसके लिए डेस्कटॉप ऑडिट के लिए 3 मंथ्स का डेटा चाहिए.
3 मंथ्स का डेटा चाहिए.
तो व्हाट वी डू इज, इट इज नॉट दैट इजी टू backdate the data for you because you are new. You will not understand how to do this until you will go through at least 5 to 6 hospital ka cycle. When you will have experience of 5 to 6 hospital, then you will understand. ऐसा कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कर सकते हैं. Okay. So initially we will not consider that option to backdate.
Okay.
We'll tell them, sir, 3 months on the line. Day 1 we'll release SOPs. Day 2 we'll start training. Okay. Day 3 we'll release registers. Day 4 we'll release forms. Something like that. तो जो डेटा हमें 3 महीने का चाहिए वो सबसे पहले हमें रिलीज करना होगा. That is considered in our agreement. In our agreement, the first thing we release is all registers.
Okay. Right.
And forms. वही डेटा है. ओके, ट्रेनिंग डेटा हम बैकडेट कर सकते हैं।
राइट,
बैकडेट का मतलब है ट्रेनिंग कोई भी डेट डाल सकते हैं बीच वाली, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। प्रॉब्लम रजिस्टर का होता है, उसके लिए हमें उनकी हेल्प चाहिए, इसकी हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ की। बाकी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है हमारे लिए। ओके
ओके ओके।
सो दिस इज अबाउट द कमेंट ऑन टाइमलाइन। तो ये डिस्कशन होता है जो डॉक्टर्स पूछते हैं। जैसे आपको भी क्वेरी आई तो डॉक्टर भी वैसा, फिर ऐसा क्या होगा, फिर क्या होगा। तो आपको ये सीक्वेंस याद चाहिए। You should understand this is the sequence.
Yes.
Okay. Huh?
Yes.
Fine. So this is common question asked by the doctor. Next question, doctor asks you is that whether they, you know, whether other hospital comparison करते हैं. Other hospital का comparison they do it. अरे उस हॉस्पिटल का तो 6 महीने में ही आ गया था, तो हमारा नहीं आ सकता है क्या ऐसा, राइट? तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे हमें फिर से वही बोलना है कि द टाइमलाइन रिलेटेड ही बात करना है इधर। ओके, इट इज लक, मिनिमम टाइम में आपका हो गया तो हो गया। वही कंपोनेंट जैसे मैंने अभी बात किया वही उनके साथ बात करना है। ओके, देन दे आस्क क्लियरली what support you need from us. Doctor, because initially he talks to us, so he asks what support you need from us, right?
Right.
तो हाँ, तो उनको वही बोलना है कि सर we need dedicated, है ना, one nurse, right?
Okay.
One nurse चाहिए, and what we, that's it, इतना भी मिला तो भी चलेगा। ओके
ओके।
और ऐसी नर्स जिसका सब सुनते हैं, और जिसको पता भी है,
Probably the head nurse or CNO.
उसको भी हम काम नहीं बताने वाले। जब हम नहीं थे तो she will train her कि how to ensure all registers are filled up properly,
right?
All forms are properly filed, all doctors are doing signatures the way we have told them, something like that. Okay. Fine. So these are the 3 common questions usually doctor asks. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we'll go on the requirements. Okay. You can see this self-assessment toolkit.
Yes.
Right? Now every chapter heading is given here. Then the description of that chapter is given here. Right?
Yes.
And then they have asked 2 questions. Whether there is a documentation available for this particular clause, right? And whether it is implemented. Documentation available means SOP is printed and signed.
Yes.
And implemented means we have sort of training of the relevant people.
So we'll have to see the training records, or we'll have to see.
No, we should have training record, training with evaluation.
Okay.
Yeah. So just hold on. 2 minutes. I'm getting a call. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you both can discuss. Should I display that timeline wala? You can revise that. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Just 2 minutes. I'll be back.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Deepa.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, as Sir said, that first like 3 months we'll have to take for getting all those registers and then that data to be filled up, and then once we actually apply online, right, and then After application, that application, 21 days we get to upload all the documents and all. And after that, once they review it, again, they will send us the queries. So for those queries, again, we will be getting 20 days to reply back,
Yes.
right? If am I
Yes, ma'am.
right? All right. And then there will be a main audit once every
Yes.
query is resolved and everything, right? So almost that period only, like 3 months for applying, then after application also around 2 months for this resolving of the queries and everything. And then again 1 to 4 months for the main audit,
Yes.
right? So
Yes, ma'am.
if even if we take almost 6 to 7 months for the main audit, and then once the main audit happens, then MC resolution again 1 month, then committee meeting review, that is again 1 to 3 months. So maximum if we say it will be 3 months, and then resolution, and then we'll get email after email the certification, physical certification arrival will take again 1 to 2 months. So actually, as
Yes.
we said, one year to 1.3. So 1 year, 3 months like that. So that much
Yes.
period we will require. And as he's saying that first we'll not go for the backdated data, then definitely 3 months before application is mandatory. Like we'll have to take 3 months to get everything done, like giving them the registers, forms, etc., and then filling up of the registers.
Yes.
Meanwhile, training them. Right. So for training, actually, we get 3 months. First 3 months, as well as we can start with the training once the registers and everything is being given to them and explained. So in first 3 months period, we'll get, I guess, two months period for their training to start their training, and then again for main audit when we are waiting for 1 to 3 months, again that much period can be utilized for training,
Yes. Yes. Yes,
right?
ma'am.
You also feel so, right? So almost we can get that much period for training them, and and after that, definitely the once the audit happens, then the query resolution and the MCs and everything, that only we'll have to do. So basically, training them would take uh, a bigger part of this total activity, actually speaking.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I'll tell you one shortcut.
yes.
We will not go for training. As sir said, na, we
Hmm.
did one side nurse. So we have
Hmm.
already training video, na. So we will give the training video to her and tell her to train them. Why should we waste
That's
the
what,
time?
see, at least what I was thinking, that we can have the departmental heads. Okay, we can give the training to them. We cannot give training to each and every person. But yes, it is their duty again. Or you are saying that the nurse which sir said. So
Yes.
we'll train her and then she will train everyone. Like that?
Yes.
Mm, I don't know how much, because as sir also said that one person, like normally the doctors say that you only train, you only do everything, and लोगों को वक्त नहीं है ऐसे वैसे. So we'll just ask sir if this is the good idea to train her and then she training everyone. Mm. We'll just ask him.
Yes, yes. Like na, because only some important videos like training and all will do. But remaining hand
Hmm.
portion, and they can see the video and they can do.
That she can do. Yes, yes, yes. I know, I know.
That way.
The only thing is we should get the proof of training, as he was saying that there should be, the training was conducted. For example, hand wash training. So, so many were the participants. Accordingly, the training was conducted. Everybody's signature on it, and that particular document should come to us. Then only,
Okay. Okay.
we'll be able to understand that okay, these trainings are being imparted. So that training record she will give us, the small
Okay.
small
Okay.
trainings which she will do, right? Then only we can see, because we are answerable to the higher authority at the end of the day. That
Ma'am, but we
okay,
should
we
not
have trained.
we should not show them as if it is our work. We should tell them it is their duty and
Exactly.
responsibility.
Even I was thinking so when sir said na that we only do everything. But the thing is, practically speaking, it will be very difficult for us to do each and everything on our own. Like we should get one help from hospital side also, so that in collaboration we can work, like one or two people from hospital side. As
Yeah.
sir said that
Okay.
to enthusiastic people. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I've just overheard you last thing. So yes, we do have this concept known as train the trainer.
Train the trainer. Yes.
Yeah, most of the clinical trainings, जैसे कि SOP वाले जो training है ना, सारी SOPs,
Right.
all SOPs, all chapter SOPs, manuals, because these are exhaustive trainings.
Yes.
And every staff cannot be present when we train.
Exactly.
And repeat these trainings that
Yes.
many times.
Hmm.
So what we do is we choose the 3 levels. One is senior, one is mid-level, and one is junior.
Right.
Hospital, we choose.
Okay.
And
So
every
we can do
time they
one
should be
thing.
present then.
Well, we can
And-
take nursing superintendent and we'll tell every ward in charge to come and we'll explain them and let them tell the juniors
Yes,
how
absolutely. And ideally we have a concept that we'll certify these seniors or those who are capable as trainer.
Trainer.
In a trainer, we'll certify them through our certification process.
Okay.
So then,
Right.
then they'll be enthusiastic. Then they'll be training to all. I have a certificate. I am a trainer now. Okay.
Right.
And critical trainings mandatory by NABH. जो वो सवाल पूछते हैं, they ask questions that we have to conduct. That also can be, that can be multiple times because these are not many. These are kind of critical trainings where we have to find out the right time when at least 60% of the staff is present.
Present.
Yeah. So logically speaking, training can be, one is train the trainer. Okay. Second is 60% staff has to be present. These are known as critical trainings. Okay. अभी ये जो 60% staff है ना, ये आसानी से आता है because we usually choose the junior most. We usually choose the housekeeping staff. They are there because NABH asks questions to them. So we don't choose seniors over here. Seniors know that, and seniors का क्या है, sprint में जाके उनको एक बार पता दिया तो वो सीख जाती है. लेकिन housekeeping staff को थोड़ा repetitions वगैरह चाहिए होता है, right? And housekeeping staff can come. So this is one of the thing. And we have additional opportunity in our Train Horse app. So ऐसा नहीं है कि we are not ensuring proper training. Those who are not present or those who are not interested, it is their worry to go online, go on the app, and जब भी आपको रात को बस पे waiting के लिए जहाँ पे
whenever you have time,
you can go through the trainings. Okay. So and it will be in their language, so that won't be a problem. Hindi में होगा and English में होगा, right? So this is what is about training queries. ये queries है, तो ये भी एक query है डॉक्टर की कि आप train कैसे करोगे, right? You have to tell them that, sir, for the chapters, 10 chapters and all the manuals, we give the we have an approach to have trained the trainer approach, and then some critical trainings like hand wash, CPR, spill management, needle stick injury. 60% stuff is important. We'll find out the time. And other one is we have app for both of this training. So whenever nobody is present or something like that, they can go online and get trained anytime.
Get trained.
Now I think the time is short. I'm immediately creating one more link. Okay. And we'll continue the next session with the same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.